Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is a special one because we're taking you on a whirlwind 24-hour journey through Dublin, Ireland, celebrating the love of my life on her birthday. So sit back, relax, and join us on a magical adventure. Our adventure begins with a first for us, a ride on a double-decker bus. The excitement in the air matched the beats of our hearts as we made our way to our charming abode, Clontarf Castle Hotel. Upon arriving, we couldn't help but be mesmerized by the grandeur of Clontarf Castle. Dating back to 1172, this four-star marvel stood as a testament of time, much like the love we share. After checking in and a bit of exploring, we were ready to dive into the heart of Dublin. Our first destination, the historic Dublin Castle. We hopped off at a nearby bus stop and embarked on a self-guided tour through the castle's enchanting rooms. Each chamber whispered tales of centuries past, making us feel like characters in our own love story. All that exploration worked up an appetite. We stumbled upon a hidden gem serving the most divine beef cheek pasta. Every bite was a melody of flavors, and with each shared glance, we knew this birthday adventure was becoming a cherished chapter in our love story. Fueled by the delightful lunch, our next stop was the awe-inspiring St. Patrick's Cathedral. The grandeur of the architecture and the sacred aura added a layer of magic to this birthday escapade. We marveled at the history that surrounded us, grateful to be creating our own moments within it. As the sun began to set, we made our way back to our castle for the night. The echoes of centuries past resonated in every stone, creating a romantic backdrop for the perfect end to an unforgettable day. Dublin, you've been an incredible canvas for our love story today. From the heights of the double-decker buses to the depths of historic castles, every moment has been etched in our hearts. My love, thank you for sharing this day with me. Here's to many more adventures and love letters in the years to come. If you enjoyed our Dublin adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite part of our day. Until next time, sending all the love from Dublin.